Hi everyone, this is a simple tutorial on how to connect header pins on a board like this LCD screen. So I can use it with these on the Arduino Uno. What you'll need: a strip of pin headers, your board. Here I have an LCD screen. I want to use it on my Arduino Uno. And these are the placement of the pins, a breadboard, and a soldering iron. Step 1, put the pin headers on the beginning of the breadboard. You can see some of them are higher than the other. You can shorten them out by just using a tool and pushing them down. Okay. Now the pins are installed on the breadboard. Step 2, place your board on the pins. So you don't need a lot of solder for this, just 1 millimeter or 2. And you gotta heat up the pad for 2 seconds and then apply the solder. Now all the pins are soldered. You can remove your board from the breadboard. Now you can easily connect jumper wires to your board to the Arduino. And that's how you solder header pins to a PCB board. Thank you for watching.